Have you ever wondered how you can build wealth from scratch, achieving financial independence and security? Well, it's not as elusive as it might seem. The key lies in understanding and implementing effective financial strategies. In this video, we're going to explore 10 such proven strategies, from smart saving to networking, from investing wisely to adopting a wealth mindset. These strategies have been the foundation for countless successful entrepreneurs. Stay tuned as we delve into these strategies that have proven effective for many successful entrepreneurs. The first strategy involves saving and budgeting. It's a fundamental stepping stone to building wealth. Picture saving and budgeting as the foundation of your financial house. Without it, everything else crumbles. And here's the secret. It's not about how much you save, but rather how consistently you do it. Having a budget helps you identify where your money is going. It's like having a roadmap guiding you towards your financial goals. And saving, well, it's like putting fuel in your car. It keeps you moving forward, ensuring you have a safety net and resources to invest in opportunities that come your way. It's important to note, saving money isn't about depriving yourself of everything you enjoy. It's about making informed decisions, prioritizing your spending, and understanding the value of a dollar. Remember, wealth is not about making a lot of money, but about keeping and growing what you make. The second strategy is investing wisely. Picture this: you've been saving diligently, but are you making your money work for you? That's where investing comes in. It's not about quick get-rich-quick schemes, but about planting seeds that will grow into a forest over time. Investing is a powerful way to grow your wealth, but it isn't without risks. That's why it's crucial to do your research. Understand the market, the asset, the potential returns, and the risks involved. Don't just follow the crowd, make informed decisions. Remember, investing isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. It's about compounding your returns over the long term. It's about being patient and letting your money grow. So don't be discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Yes, there's always a risk when investing. But remember, the biggest risk is not taking any risk at all. Investing wisely can help your money grow exponentially over time. The third strategy is diversifying your investments. Now, what does diversification mean? In simple terms, it's spreading your investments around. Think of it as not putting all your eggs in one basket. By investing in a variety of assets, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, or even starting your own business, you're able to balance risk and reward. Imagine, if you will, a seesaw. On one end is potential return, and on the other is risk. By diversifying your investments, you're aiming to keep that seesaw as level as possible. Diversification can provide a measure of protection against severe market downturns. When one investment performs poorly, another might do well, offsetting the loss. In the long run, this strategy can lead to steady, reliable growth, rather than the volatile ups and downs of a single investment. A diversified investment portfolio can help protect your wealth and provide steady growth. The fourth strategy involves building passive income. Now you might wonder, what is passive income? Well, simply put, it's money that you earn without actively working for it. Imagine having a golden goose that lays golden eggs while you sleep. That's passive income. The most appealing aspect of passive income is its potential to provide a steady cash flow without requiring much effort on your part. It's like having your money work for you while you focus on other things. There are many ways to generate passive income. One popular method is through rental properties. You buy a property, rent it out, and collect rent. Another way is through dividend stocks. You invest in a company, and it pays you a portion of its earnings. Or you could create a blog, gain a following, and earn money through ads and sponsorships. Remember, the key is to find something that aligns with your interests and skills. Passive income can provide a steady cash flow without requiring much effort on your part. The fifth strategy is continual learning. In the world of finance, the only constant is change. Markets fluctuate, trends come and go, and new opportunities are always emerging. To stay ahead, you must keep sharpening your financial acumen. Read books, attend seminars, follow influential figures in the industry. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the financial landscape, spot opportunities, and dodge pitfalls. Never stop learning, as knowledge is the key to making informed financial decisions. The sixth strategy is avoiding unnecessary debt. Picture debt as a heavy anchor dragging down your wealth-building ship. It's a burden that hinders growth, consuming resources that could otherwise be invested. Managing debt is crucial, and paying it off should be a priority. Just like a ship, once freed from the anchor, can sail swiftly, so can your wealth grow unhindered. Avoiding unnecessary debt can keep your financial health intact and allow for wealth accumulation. The seventh strategy is networking. This is not just about attending events and handing out your business cards, it's about forming meaningful connections both professionally and personally. These relationships can be a goldmine of opportunities, providing insights, advice, and even potential partnerships. It's through these connections that you can learn about new industries, gain different perspectives, and uncover chances for growth. Remember, your network is an extension of who you are and what you can achieve. Networking can open doors to opportunities that you might not have known existed. The eighth strategy is entrepreneurship. It's a journey that's not for the faint-hearted but can pave the way to significant wealth creation. Entrepreneurship is about seizing the reins of your financial future, crafting your own destiny, and building something that's uniquely yours. Starting your own business can offer numerous potential benefits. It gives you control over your income, the freedom to innovate, and the opportunity to impact the world with your ideas. But remember, every sunlit peak has its shadowy valley. Entrepreneurship involves risks, the risk of failure, financial loss, and the unpredictability of income. However, the potential for wealth creation is immense. It's about building value that multiplies over time, creating a product or service that people need, and in the process, creating a legacy. It's not just about money. It's about creating something that outlives you. Entrepreneurship can be a powerful vehicle for wealth creation, but it requires dedication and calculated risk-taking. The ninth strategy involves patience and consistency. Yes, it's the tortoise, not the hare, that wins the wealth-building race. It's easy to be drawn to get-rich-quick schemes, but true wealth is built over time, with a steady hand and a calm heart. Consistency is the key. Whether it's saving a portion of your income, investing in your retirement fund, or putting money into your business, doing it regularly is what matters. It's like a drip filling a bucket. Each drop may seem insignificant, but over time, the bucket fills up. Now, patience is not about sitting idly by, it's about understanding that wealth building is a long-term game. You plant seeds today, not expecting an immediate harvest, but knowing that in time, with care and nurturing, those seeds will grow into a bountiful crop. Building wealth doesn't happen overnight. It requires patience, consistency, and a long-term perspective. The final strategy is adopting a wealth mindset. Having a positive outlook is more than just wishful thinking. It's about truly believing in your capability to build wealth. It's the foundation from which all your financial decisions should stem. Consider this. If you don't believe you can accumulate wealth, would you be motivated to save, invest, or start a business? Probably not. But with a wealth mindset, you see opportunities where others see obstacles. You understand the value of money as a tool, not just a means to an end. This mindset isn't about greed or materialism. It's about recognizing the potential for financial growth and harnessing it. It's about knowing that setbacks are temporary, and success is a result of consistent effort over time. Remember, your mindset can either be your greatest ally or your biggest obstacle. Be positive, be resilient, and believe in your ability to succeed. Adopting a wealth mindset can guide your financial decisions and help you stay focused on your wealth-building goals. So, there you have it. 10 proven strategies for building wealth from scratch, from saving and budgeting, investing wisely, to diversifying your investments and building passive income. We've also highlighted the significance of continual learning, avoiding debt, networking, entrepreneurship, patience and consistency, and adopting a wealth mindset. Each strategy is crucial in its own way to your wealth-building journey. Remember, building wealth is a journey, not a destination. Start implementing these strategies today and pave your way to financial independence.